Hello kids, and today we're gonna learn about the numbers, about the clock, and we also gonna solve this puzzle. So let's start. Oh no, where did they go? We don't have numbers and we don't have puzzles, but we have crayons. And in these crayons we have those numbers and puzzles. So let's open them. And the first crayon that we're gonna open gonna be the orange one. So let's do. Let's shake it and open. Wow, how many things we have. So we have also the shapes, the puzzles, and the numbers. Oh, that's interesting. So let's start with the puzzles. And we have here 3 puzzles. 1, 2, and 3. So let's turn around them like this. Okay, and here we have the face of the tiger, and you can see that the tiger is smiling. So this is the corner piece. So we can place it here, we can fit it here, we can put it here, or we can place it here. So I think this one could go right now here, and then later we can move it somewhere else. So the next puzzle that we have is with the ladybug, and it's also the corner piece. So we need to place somewhere on the puzzle board. I think right now let's put it right here in the left corner. Great. And the next one we have the puzzle piece that I think it has maybe the sun or maybe the flower. I don't know. But let's at the moment place it here like this. We need more puzzles so we can start combining them. Great. Let's continue with the numbers. So here we have the number 11. And number 11 goes right after the number 10. But how did we know that? We need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Great. And the next one number, we have number 4. And it goes right after number 3 here. But let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. Well done. And here we also have the shapes. And this is the yellow color shape. And it has 2 holes. 1 and 2. So let's place it right now here, like this. And the next one shape that we have is the orange shape, and it only has 1 hole. Let's place it here. Great. And this shape is red color shape, and it has 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Amazing. Let's open the next crayon, and the next crayon that we're gonna open will be the blue one. Let's shake it. Open it. Wow, how many things we have here. Great. And let's start with the puzzles. So here we have 3 puzzles. 1, 2, and 3. And you can see that we're gonna turn around this puzzle like this. Great. And it is side puzzle, so we can place somewhere on the side. We cannot place this in a corner because it's not the corner piece, but it's a side piece. All right, so at the moment, here we have orange leaf. So maybe let's place it here right now and see where we can combine it later. Let's do next one puzzles. And the next one puzzle is also the side puzzle. And it has the flower here. So we can place it somewhere on a puzzle board. And let's think where we can place it. Maybe we can combine with something, but I don't think right now. We need still more puzzles to connect them. Okay, let's place right now this puzzle maybe here and see. So the next one puzzle, we can see that there is the part of the tiger, and here is the tiger. So I think this could go maybe here at the moment. Let's place it like that. We still need to find those puzzles that we can connect together like this, but at the moment we're still searching for them. Okay, let's continue with the numbers. So the next number that we have is number 12. And number 12 goes right after the number 11 here. But let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great. And next one number, we have number 5. And it goes right after number 4. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we count all together. And the number 5 goes right after number 4 here. Great. And next one we have shapes. And here we have the red shape. And it has 5 holes. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's see where we can place the shape. You see we have orange shape, yellow shape, and red shape. And this red shape is the same as this one. So we can place like that. Great, well done. And the next shape is a green shape and it has 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. And let's look at those shapes and this one. Does it match? No, so we're gonna place it here. Great. And the next one we have yellow shape. And yellow shape has 2 holes. So let's try to match. Yes, it matched with this one. So let's put it on top. Great. And let's do the next crayon. So the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the red one. Let's shake it and open. Wow, so many things we have here. And we have puzzles. So let's count how many puzzles we have. 1, 2, and 3. So there is 3 puzzles. So let's start with this puzzle. Let's turn around. And here you can see we have corner piece puzzle. So we can place somewhere in a corner, right? Maybe here or maybe here. Okay, so let's think where we can place it. Let's try to place it here in this corner. Great. And next one, we have this puzzle. And this puzzle is the flower puzzle. And let's think where we can place. Maybe here. But I already see that we can connect this puzzle with this because there is the part of the flower and here is the part of the flower. So let's try to do it like this. Great! We've combined our first 2 puzzles. You're doing amazing. So the next puzzle, let's see, we have the part of the tiger. So we can maybe try to place it at the moment here, right? But also maybe let's try to turn around. And here you see we have another puzzle that we can connect with, like this. Great. And maybe let's turn around this small puzzle piece and place like this because here is the ear of the tiger and here is the face. So the ear goes above the tiger face. Great. Let's continue. So the next shape that we have is a green shape and it has 3 holes. 1, 2, and 3. Great. And let's try to match with our shapes. Is it match with this one? No, it's an orange shape. Does it match with this one? No, it's a yellow shape. Does it match with red shape? No, it's a red shape and this one is green. And you can see that this is green shape and this is green shape. So let's match them together. Great. And let's take the next one. So the next one that we have is the yellow shape with 2 holes, 1 and 2. So let's try to match with other shapes. Orange, yellow, no. Yellow shape and yellow shape. Great, well done. And the next shape that we have is the blue shape. And let's count how many holes it has. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great, let's try to match. Here, is it matching with orange? No. Is it matching with yellow? No, because it's a blue. Is it matching with red? No, because it's a blue. Is it matching? No. So this is our new shape that we're gonna place on top here, like this. Great. So we have found new shape, and we also combined puzzle pieces, and we need to look at this number. So this is number 6, and it's a yellow color shape. So number 6 goes right after number 5. But let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great! We're completing this clock and this puzzle and the shapes really fast. You're doing really good. So let's continue with our crayons. So next crayon that we're gonna pick, gonna be the green crayon. Let's shake and open. Wow, so many things we have here. But let's start with the puzzle pieces. So here we have 3 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start with this puzzle piece. And let's turn around. And here you can see we have the parrot. And this is the green parrot. And you can see that the green parrot is smiling. And let's think where we can place this on the board. And I can see already that here is the orange leaf. And here is the orange leaf. So maybe if we're gonna turn around them like this and try to combine, yes, it worked. Amazing. So maybe let's right now place them here. So the puzzle is all about solving those small things, right? And here you can see that the green here is the body of the parrot. So this wasn't the sun, it was the body of the parrot. So let's try to combine. Great, well done. And let's take the next puzzle. And the next puzzle that we have is the blue puzzle. So there is the blue. Maybe it's a ocean, right? Maybe it's sea. We don't know. But let's try to place it on a board. And you can see that here is also the blue color thing. So we can combine them together like this. Great, well done. Amazing. So the next puzzle we have the eyes of the tiger. And we already know that the tiger is somewhere here, right? In a corner. So we can combine this puzzle piece and this one. Great, you're doing really well. So let's continue with our shapes. So the next shape that we have is a yellow shape and it has 2 holes. 1, 2. So let's try to go through our shape match. Does it match with yellow? No. Does it match with orange? No. Does it match? It's yellow and it has 2 holes. And these are yellow shapes with 2 holes. Yes. So we're gonna place it here. Great. And let's take the next one. And the next one we have is a green shape. And it has 3 holes. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Let's go to our shapes and go down. Does it match with blue shape? No. Does it match with orange shape? No. Does it match with yellow shape? No. It's a green shape. Does it match with red shape? No. Does it match with green shape? Yes. Great. Well done. And let's pick our last shape. And our last shape has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. And let's place it here. It's a blue shape and this is the blue shape. So it matches right here. Let's place it on top. Great. And we have left with our number. It's number 7. And you can see it's a shape of the star. And it's a pink color. Great. Let's count. So the number 7 goes right after number 6. So here's the 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. And we only left with 3 crayons. So we have the yellow crayon and we have the pink crayon. So let's open the yellow crayon. And we also have the brown crayon. So let's open the yellow crayon. Wow, so many things we have here. So we have 5 puzzles. Wow. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great, it's gonna help us to complete this puzzle game. So let's start with the first puzzle and let's turn around. Okay, here we have the body of the tiger. And you can see our tiger is here. And here's the small part of his face. So we can connect them together like this. Great. And let's take the next one. Okay, and here who we have? Here we have the butterfly. And we need to place somewhere on the side this puzzle. Maybe we can connect with other things. Let's think. And I think here we have the background that matches with this one. So we can combine them together. Right? Like this. Great. Well done. So we need to think where we can combine these ones. And it seems that this one could go here because here we have the piece of the parrot and it's a green, right? So we need to turn around them like this, and we have here 2 flowers, right? And we can connect them like this. So we can connect the parrot and we can connect with the ladybug. Great, well done. And who we have here? Here we also have some kind of animal, but we need to find out. So let's continue with next puzzle. And the next puzzle that we're gonna take gonna be this one. And let's turn around. And here we have the tail of the tiger. And where else we have tail of the tiger? Maybe here? Yes, so we can place it like this. Great, we're completing this puzzle really fast. So the next one puzzle gonna be this. Let's turn around. Okay, so here we have, again, you can see that here we have the leg of the parrot. And here is the tree that the parrot is sitting. And here's another leg. So this puzzle piece goes right here. Great, well done. And the next one puzzle, the last one, gonna be this one. So let's see where we can place it. And here we have the blue color and the light orange color, right? And let's see where it could go. And maybe I think it could go here, because here is the 3 lines and here is the line. So maybe we can connect. Let's try. Great, well done. So let's continue with our shapes. So here we have the orange shape. And orange shape only has 1 hole. So let's try to match. Here we have blue shapes and orange. Does it match? No. Let's go down. Does it match with orange? This one. Yes. Great. Well done. And the next shape that we have is the blue shape, and it has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. And let's try to match with our shapes. Does it match with this shape? Actually, it does match with this shape. So let's place it on top. And the next one, we have the numbers. So we have number 10. And you can see it's a blue shape. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great! We are making the penguin pretty happy. And the next one, we have the number 3. And it's an orange shape. So let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Great! We completed almost this number puzzle. And let's continue with the next crayon. And the next crayon that we're gonna pick gonna be the brown crayon. Let's shake it and open it. Great. And we have different puzzle pieces. So let's count how many puzzle pieces we have. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 puzzle pieces. So let's start with the corner puzzle piece. Let's turn around, and here we have the leaf, right? And here we can see that we have the part of the green parrot. So it could go right here. So we need to move away this one. And here we have the small piece of the eye. And do like this. Great. And here we have the wing of the butterfly. And we can place it right here, fit it here. Great. Let's continue with the next one. So let's turn around and let's see. Here we have the flower, and we can see that there is the part of the butterfly, and here is the bamboo tree, right? So let's try to place maybe here, like this. Great. And the next one, let's turn around. Here is the body of the animal that we don't know yet who it is. So let's turn around. But here we can see we have a red flower. And where we have the red flower, we have it here and here. So this one is already done. But this one still needs a part. So I think it could go right like this. And also we have here the tail of the tiger. So let's try. Great, well done. We almost completed this puzzle. And the piece that we have is the eyes of that animal. So who that is? Let's see. And I think this puzzle piece should go here, because also here is the red part of the flower. And it is the elephant. Great. And the elephant has the big blue ears. Great. And the big eyes. Well done. So we only need to fill those empty spaces to complete our puzzle. Let's continue with our shape. So the shape that we have here is the red shape, and it has 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's try to match. Does it match with this one? No. Let's move it down. Does it match with orange one? No. So let's move it down. Does it match with yellow one? No. Does it match with red one? Yes. Well done. And let's take the next one shape. And the next shape that we're gonna take gonna be the green one. And let's count. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 holes, right? Let's place it. Does it match with blue? No. Can it go here? No. Does it have 2 holes and it's a yellow, like this? No. Is it the same as red one? No. Is it the same as green one? Yes. So let's place. Great. And next one, we have the orange shape with 1 hole. So let's try to match. So we have here the blue one and the orange. Does it match? No. Should go down. Does it match with this one? Yes. Great. And next one, we have the number 8 red shape. So let's think where we can place this. And it goes right after number 7. So here is number 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. And the next number we have is number 1, pink color. So where could go number 1? It always starts with number 1, like this. Great. And the last crayon that we have is the pink crayon, and it has a lot of things there inside. So let's open. Wow, so many shapes and numbers and puzzles. So let's take the shapes first. And let's count. 1, 2, 3. Great. And we only need 3 puzzle pieces. So let's turn around. And here we have the big and mighty leaf. And here you can see we have the leg of the elephant. Great. So let's try to place it down here, like this. Amazing. And the next one we have, it's again leaves, and also it's a blue ear of the elephant and the tree. So it could go here. Great. And the last one, this is our last puzzle piece. Let's turn around. Yes, and it's a tail of the parrot. And where could go the tail of the parrot? Yes, it could go here. Amazing, we've completed our puzzle. We are doing so amazing because we are completing all these puzzle games in no time. So let's go through the shapes. So the next shape that we have is the red shape, and it has 5 holes. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great, let's match. Does it match with blue? No. Does it match with orange? No. Is it same as yellow one? No, it's a red. Is it the same as this one? Yes. So let's place like this. Great. And the next shapes that we have is orange shape and it has one hole, right? So let's try to match. Let's go here. Does it match with blue? No. Does it match with orange? Yes. Great, well done. And next one, we have the blue shape, and blue shape has 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. And let's try. Does it match with blue? Yes. Great, we've completed all our shapes. So we have green shape, we have red shape, we have yellow shape, we have orange shape, and we have blue shape. Well done. And let's continue with numbers. So the next number that we're gonna take gonna be the number 2. And it is heart shape. You see, it's a heart. And it's a red color shape. So where we can place the number 2? Yes, it goes right after number 1. 1 and 2. Great. And the next one, we have number 9. And it's an orange shape. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great! We've completed all our puzzles. We've completed the jungle puzzle where we have the elephant, the parrot, the tiger, the butterfly, ladybug, and flowers and leaves and trees. And we also completed our clock. So we have 1 o'clock, we have 2 o'clock, we have 3 o'clock, we have 4 o'clock, we have 5 o'clock, we have 6 o'clock, we have 7 o'clock, we have 8 o'clock, we have 9 o'clock, we have 10 o'clock, and we have 11 o'clock, and the last one is 12 o'clock. Right, and the penguin is pretty happy with the completion of this clock game. And then last game that we had was the shape game. We were matching the shapes. So we learned about green shape, red shape, yellow shape, orange shape, and the blue shape. Amazing. We completed all our games. Well done.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.